I'm just like,
Can't find nobody better, nobody better. You want yours to be like mine, she can never ever. I can't find nobody better.
what is up, Excited Squad? Welcome to today's video. It's your girl Laksmy, and I am back with a new video. And I'm excited. I am excited about this video because your girl is about to unbox her very first Teddy Blake designer handbag. And I'm just like, I cannot even believe it. Okay. Y'all seen the title, y'all know what's coming. Y'all know what's coming. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Laksmy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you, boo, are already part of the Excited Squad just by clicking on this video. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And just to give you guys a little heads up or a reminder, if you guys did not know, we are currently on the road to 10,000 subscribers before 2020 ends. So go ahead and join the Excited Squad because I'm going to be having a major 10 winner giveaway happening once we reach that goal, which is, we're almost there. We're this close. So go ahead and join the squad. Let me know in the comments down below what other kind of videos you guys would like to see, and just chat with me. And let me know what you guys think about this bag because I'm excited. So if you guys are interested in seeing me unbox my brand new, my very first Teddy Blake, stay tuned. All right, so just a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored at all by Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake was kind enough to send your girl this bag for me to review on my channel and do an unboxing. And honestly, I feel tremendously blessed because I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Teddy Blake. I'm sure you guys have because they're all over the place. But they have the most amazing luxury handbags out there for the most affordable price. And when they reached out to me and asked me to do this video, I was like, are you serious? Like, are you guys talking to me? Because I love your bags. So, yes, like, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the unboxing because I don't want to make this video super long. You guys know that I sometimes ramble like I'm doing right now, so I don't want to do that. But yes, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of this video. So this is the box that the bag comes in. As you can see, it's a very nice, beautiful, sleek, big box. It's in black and white, duh. And it says Teddy Blake, New York. Teddy Blake is actually, the bags are handmade in Italy. All of the bags are made in Italy, but they are housed in New York City. So that's pretty cool. They have the most amazing leather materials, great quality. Honestly, you will be getting high-end luxury bag for not luxury prices, which is insane. Honestly, to me, that's just mind-blowing. But yeah, fun story about this before I go ahead and open the box. They sent me this box, I believe was towards the beginning of last month, but FedEx, being FedEx, they lost my package. I had to go in and send a bunch of emails back and forth, put a claim in and all that stuff. They did horrible mishandling of my package because clearly you can see here that my box is sort of like ripped, and this is the first time that I'm opening this, so clearly that happened because of their poor, you know, the poor mishandling of my package. But thank God they were able to retrieve my package and I received it a month later, but here it is. So yeah, FedEx, I can't stand y'all. But anyway, this is how the box opens. It opens like this. All right, so when you first open the box, it says Teddy Blake, New York in white letters, and then it says designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. And I'm telling you, I haven't even opened this because I wanted to do a first impression unboxing here in front of with you guys, and I can smell the leather. Like, I can literally smell the leather, which is insane. So the box says each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Yeah, when I went on the website for Teddy Blake and I was choosing the bag that I wanted, I could not, it took me forever. It took me a couple of days to be able to choose the bag that I wanted because I was like, oh my God, they're all so beautiful. I want them all. Like, I didn't know what to pick, but then I went for this particular color just because I feel like I don't have anything like this in my collection, and fall is upon us, and I feel like this color was gonna be perfect for fall. So I am opening the box. It has this little tissue paper here, and I'm gonna take the bag out, and this is what it comes in. I got the AVA Croc small, so they have, I believe, a maybe bigger version of it. I don't remember exactly, but they have so many beautiful handbags in that website. I'm gonna be leaving the website link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'm telling you guys will not be disappointed. The only issue is that you guys will have a hard time choosing which bag to get because it's just, they're all just stunning handbags. Like, oh my God. All right, so I'm gonna take it out of the bag. I'm gonna remove this plastic bag that it has. Let's throw that on the floor. It has a bubble wrap, and let's get it out of the bubble wrap. Oh my God. The smell of leather is so strong, it's insane. So this is what the dust bag looks like. It's really awesome that it brings this bag because that way you can keep and maintain your leather bags nicely secured, you know, preventing it from any dust, any debris, anything like that. This bag is very, very soft, very, very good quality. As you can see here, it says Teddy Blake, New York, and it has some string here. Okay, I've seen this bag online, but I have not seen it in person, and I am so, all right. So I'm gonna do this here with you guys. Let's look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. I do not even know what to say. You guys, look at this bag. Oh my God. Okay, I feel like I want to cry. I want to cry so much. I actually did my makeup a little bit orange because I got the orange bag and I wanted to sort of like match it, but I did not. Okay, let me relax because this is a big moment for me. This is like my very first designer handbag, so I'm very emotional right now. This bag is so beautiful. This is the CROCO AVA bag, if I'm not mistaken, that's the name. Yeah, it's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around so you guys can see the details. How beautiful is this bag, y'all? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so I have seen some other videos of this particular style. I'm sorry for the background noise. I have seen some videos of this particular style, so I already know how to open the bag. I decided to go again with the orange because I don't have anything like this in my collection. I have a really, really big collection of handbags. Like, I have random bags. I don't really have designer handbags. I have a couple coaches here and there, but that's pretty much it. This is, like I said, my very first designer bag, and I wanted the color and just everything about it to be special and unique and to stand out from everything that I have already in my collection. I don't have anything in orange. I don't have anything with this color. They do have a wide variety of colors that you can choose from, and you guys know that my favorite color is yellow, and if you guys didn't know, my favorite color is yellow. And they do have yellow bags, but because I already have a couple of yellow handbags or purses from Aldo and other stores, I needed this bag to be something different. I needed this bag to just stand out and just be the exception, if you will. And I'm at a loss for words. I am so in love with this bag. The quality, the feel of it is so luxurious. Just look at it. So I got the orange with the gold. I do believe they have this with silver as well. You guys know, and if you guys don't know, my tones are gold tones all the way. It has Teddy Blake here embossed in also gold lettering, and it has Teddy Blake, New York. And it also has it here in the back, which is pretty cool. So yeah, to open the bag, you have to lift these little things right here, and then you just like flop it open like this, and this is what's on the inside. So on the inside of the bag, it has the strap, which is really cool because I oftentimes, depending on what I'm doing and if I'm running around, I like to wear my bag over my shoulder or as a crossbody. Not much of crossbody, but over the shoulder. I love wearing my bags over the shoulder. This bag you can wear in 3 ways. You can wear over the shoulder, you can wear it as a crossbody, and you can also wear it, you know, like this, which is how I plan on wearing it most of the time because this bag is just too beautiful to just hang it over your shoulder. But yes, it brings the strap so you can go ahead and hang it over your shoulder. Beautiful, great quality. Great quality. Let me see what else we have on the inside of the bag. You guys, look at this. Look at this quality. Look at the texture. If you guys could smell this, it's just insane. So what it has inside is a bunch of tissue paper, and I guess it is just to maintain the form and shape of the bag, which is pretty cool. And then this is the inside of the bag. It's very nice and soft. This leather is just a whole other ball game. I don't know if just because I'm not used to like actually having a authentic leather bag, that this is just, it just feels too luxurious for me. Like I can't even believe it at this point. It has a nice zipper here where you can put, you know, little things. Normally in these little zippers, I put bobby pins, you know, little flat things. It has a lock that comes inside of that pocket, and I think you can actually use it as a lock, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's an actual lock, and it says Teddy Blake on it. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see, because I think it has other stuff in here. And it has this, oh wow, this is different. So it has this piece right here, and it actually has a key. Let me see if this key, this is so dope, you guys. I am loving this bag and this company. Like, what is this? Let's see. Let me see if I can even get this key out. Oh yeah, so it brings two keys, as you can see right here. And I am assuming that the keys open the lock, which it does. So you can actually use this lock if you really wanted to. I'm not sure if you can actually lock the bag. Let me see, can you lock the bag? I don't know if you are able to lock the bag, but yeah. Anyway, this is a very, very cute piece, very cute accessory. Love, love, love it. There's nothing else in that zipper pocket. And then it has another pocket on the inside, right here, right below the zipper one. Again, just leather all around, which is amazing. I like the fact that this bag is very spacious in the bottom, and even though it looks small, it is very spacious. Like I can put a lot of things inside of this bag, which is really good. I have normally like a wide, big wallet, and I know for a fact it's gonna fit perfectly in here because I have a bag that's a little bit smaller than this, and it fits that wallet perfectly. So I know that this is gonna be just perfect. So yes, wow, I am so obsessed, you guys. I am so obsessed. So just to close it up, you just put this thing back in there, and then you just put this right over it like that. How beautiful. All right, so just to look at the back of the bag, it has this zipper right here in the back, which is pretty cool if you want to have like easy access to your phone. I think it's awesome. Oftentimes when you put your phone inside of your purse, you have to be digging through it to find your phone or find your keys or whatever. It's really cool that they have this nice big pocket. Like the pocket goes all the way down here, which is pretty cool, for you to put your phone, your keys, your chapstick, like your, you know, quick need things like that. So that's pretty cool. Yes, and it has these handles right here, which I am assuming that it is for the strap. So we're gonna go ahead and put the strap on just to see how that looks. Wow, I am so in love with this bag, you guys. I cannot even believe it. I am so grateful for Teddy Blake for sending this bag, because this is just insane. I really, really want to go on the website and just buy another one. Look how cute. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. I cannot. This is just stunning, you guys. Honestly, I am so obsessed with this bag. I cannot even. I will let you know, Teddy Blake has a really big sale going on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and link the website down below. If you guys want to go ahead on their website and check out their purses, their handbags, you guys will not regret it. You guys know one thing about me is that I don't ever sit here and promote things or bring things to you guys that I do not believe in, things that I would not purchase myself, or things that I would not just rock myself. So you guys know what's up. I give you guys the real tea, the real deal. And I am telling you, if you are looking to invest in your very first luxury designer bag, you need to go the Teddy Blake way, because I am just in love. I am obsessed. I am honestly gonna go on the website right after this video and I'm gonna purchase another one, because the quality is just insane. It is insane. And it's crazy because you know what they say about like the Louis Vuittons and the Birkins and this and that. You are normally paying for the name, because these bags, the Teddy Blake bags, are made with the same exact leather quality as those major brands and a fraction of the price. Like what's up? What's up, sis? Why we slacking? Why we slacking? I cannot believe I did not get these bags sooner. So yes, thank you so much to Teddy Blake. Again, thank you so much for sending me this bag. I am obsessed. Thank you. I am so grateful. I cannot wait to get a couple more. I am thinking about maybe getting like a baby blue and a pink, because they have these beautiful colors and I just cannot. Anyway, this sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful bag. I am so grateful. I am so obsessed. Again, I will be leaving their website link down below so you guys can go ahead and take advantage of the great deals that they have going on right now before the deals end, because you guys don't want to pay original price for no bag. If you guys got to cop a deal, you got to cop a deal. You guys know what's up with me. I'm about to go cop a deal, so I suggest you guys do the same. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are on the way to 10,000 subscribers before 2020 ends. Again, like this video if you like it. Give it a big thumbs up. Chat with me in the comments. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.